Photoshop had a really cool feature which is puppet warp. Do you know that? Let me show you right away. Here I have a photo of a girl doing yoga. I already cut the subject out of the background. Next, we have to duplicate the background layer with Ctrl J. Turn off top layer. Remove the subject in second layer. Go to Select, Modify, Expand, 20 pixels. Press Shift F6, choose Content Aware, and OK. Photoshop helps us to remove the subject in this layer. Turn back on top layer, which is the subject. This is important. Head to Edit, Puppet Warp. To use this tool, you have to point out the spot that you want to move. It should be in John's position. After that, click to the point and move it. Hit Enter when you're done. It's cool, right? There are lots of tips on our YouTube channel. You can click to the link on our profile to get there. See you in the next video. Bye bye.